So I'm back. I've removed the 4 screws that I mentioned earlier. Again, they're very different from all the other screws. I don't know if this is a good thing in hindsight, because even though you don't get confused, but I'm guessing the company has to buy or produce a bunch of different types of screws, which may be more costly than is needed if they could get away with using the same type of screws over and over instead. But, you know, every company has their own way of doing things, and I haven't removed the 2 here yet because I was hoping I would be able to take this apart without removing these, and it looks like there's wires that are connecting up to those. But maybe I'm gonna have to remove them whether I like it or not, because this chassis is not coming apart. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video.